Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use PLR products and basically resell them as your own. Okay, so you can just simply use the product and just um, maybe put it on your website or um but when it comes to uploading them on things like Gumroad and Udemy and stuff like that, you want to make it a bit unique. So I'm going to show you a really simple way that you can get a product and then basically create it as your own. Okay, so we're gonna go to a website called idplr. Okay, so we go to idplr.com. Now, there are actually free products that you can get from here where you don't even have to pay money for. Okay. And I'm going to show you products that are completely for free. So once you sign up to an account, okay, by the way, all the links are in the description. So once you sign up to an account, well, you'll see it here anyway, even when you don't sign up. I mean, obviously, to use the actual service, you need to have an account. But as you can see here, free products, okay? So there are free ebooks, free softwares, free videos, free audios, free graphics, and free templates. These are all PLR, which means private label rights, which means that you have the rights to resell them, okay? Over 12,000 on this particular website. So let's just say we go to video. So these are free videos that we can reuse on to resell. So product launches, tips and tricks. Easily duplicate your WordPress site. Mind power mastery. The power of discipline. Underground traffic sources. So learn the underground traffic sources if you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, or any business owner. So this is really interesting. Traffic exchanges, tips and tricks. So basically, in a nutshell, you get the point. There are a lot of free products, for free, that you can use. Okay, and I'm sure some of them have really interesting information in there, something that we can learn or some people can learn. Like, look, they've even got LinkedIn traffic generation. Okay, how to use LinkedIn to drive traffic. Okay, now you can even go through these yourself and learn something. Now, what can you do with these products? Well, literally, this is what I'm going to share with you on what you can do to actually create this as your own. So basically, okay, so you download the product onto your computer, okay, and then you basically study the course and then you regurgitate everything that you learn, okay, and you can even go as far as there's actually an app called Otter, okay. Now, what Otter does is Otter transcribes videos. So not videos, but audios. Okay, so you can Otter is a transcribing app. Now it doesn't always get it accurately, but you can go back and make the changes that need to be changed and adjusted. And basically, what you can do is you can play Otter. You can play Otter while you're playing the video, and Otter would literally transcribe the video for you and basically write everything from audio to transcription. Okay. And then you take that transcription and then you can put it in a software like Scribble. Now, if you don't know what Scribble is it's a ebook creator, so it creates ebooks in minutes. But what you're doing is you're literally creating an ebook out of this video course. Okay, so you basically get your transcription. Obviously, make sure that it's transcribed properly, because there are going to be a few words that are maybe transcribed incorrectly, but it's pretty accurate. That software, believe it or not, is pretty accurate. I actually created a whole VSL. If you don't know what that is, it's a video sales letter from scratch. I literally transcribed a video and then I put it into another, created it into another video, and it was pretty accurate. So yeah, you can literally so this is my tips on what ideas of what you can do. You can actually transcribe the video, create it into an ebook using Scribble. Now, if you don't want to use Scribble, you can also go to fiverr.com and get someone to put it into a nice format, a nice ebook. But to be honest, it's going to save you, if you're doing more than once, it's going to save you money to get Scribble, because Scribble is only a one-time payment. If you keep going to Fiverr to do this, like let's say if you got, I don't know, 5, 6 books, that's already 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's nearly the Scribble product, because Scribble I think is $65. Okay, but it's only a one-time payment. So yeah, that's why I highly recommend getting Scribble, because you can literally just copy and paste articles and create them into books. Okay, so basically, yeah, what you're doing is you're transcribing it for free using Otter. Then you're going to Scribble or Fiverr if you want Fiverr, and you're basically creating the videos into an ebook. Now you can even do this the other way around. Okay, you can get an ebook, okay, and you can transcribe it. Actually, some of these ebooks look pretty. Sorry, some of these videos, this video courses, seem pretty interesting. But yeah, getting back to it. Okay, so what you could do is you could get an ebook. Let's go to ebooks here. Free ebooks. You can get an ebook and literally regurgitate everything that you've read and create a video course. How cool is that? Like, you can literally, and this is what these marketing guys are doing. Seriously, I'm not even kidding. There's a lot that are buying courses and they're literally taking that information and they're creating their own courses from other courses. Like, literally. Okay. And this is what you can do with PLR. So no longer is this really a PLR product, but you're just taking information from the PLR product and you're basically regurgitating everything that you've learned, and you're basically creating a course out of that. And now it becomes your own unique product. Okay. That is really cool, guys. So as you can see here, how to create your own physical video products. Expert interviews for extra traffic. What you could even do is, once you've got, obviously, so let's say, okay, so let's say I download, I'm just going to pick one, 30 days to build your list, to build your bigger email list. Okay. I take that product, I download it, I read it and really study it, and then I can basically just teach the exact same information, creating a video course or a audio course, like a video presentation or an audio course or whatever. That becomes now my product. And it doesn't, obviously it's not going to be the same name, you're going to change the name. So it's just going to be the same kind of teaching. In a way, you're kind of like learning a new skill and then just teaching it. That's what you're doing in a nutshell. If you don't know, like, you maybe can learn something out of this product right here, 30 days to build your bigger email list. Or maybe it's a completely new topic to you, but you can literally just like teach to people what you've learned in the book. Okay, so that's a way that you can make money with PLR products. And in fact, this way is much better, because it will be considered as your own unique product. If you was just to take this and just upload it directly to a platform like Udemy or Gumroad, okay, it's not that, they don't actually like that, to be honest. They like your product to at least look unique. It's legal to do, you can do it, you can upload a PLR directly, but it's better to make it a bit unique so it looks like it's your product. Okay, so I hope that this video was, you learned something out of this video. But some of these products actually seem pretty interesting. And you know, you could even do this with actual products, like not even PLRs. You can actually do it with just ClickBank products or um, you know, and it's not wrong. I don't think that it's wrong. If you're copying word for word, I mean, you can probably copy these books here word for word, okay, because they're PLR, you can sell them anyway. But now, if you are buying someone else's course, like for example on ClickBank or Digistore or Warrior Plus or something like that, and you go through that course and you're copying word for word, then obviously I don't recommend that. But if you are learning something out of that course, you can definitely share it and maybe even create your own course on that same topic because you have learned a new skill. Who's to say? I mean, no one claims a skill and no one can claim a piece of information. Okay, it's information and information is for everyone, right? So yeah, I mean, you could even do that, and that's why I buy a lot of courses. To be honest, I buy a lot of courses so I learn new stuff so that I can share it on my YouTube channel for my content. Okay, so I definitely, I definitely recommend checking this website out here, idplr.com. It's free to get signed up. If you haven't yet got signed up, then just click the link in the description below this video. And yeah, I mean, there are fantastic courses out there that you can take to learn stuff and then just to create your own products on. Okay, so I hope you found that beneficial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in more videos. Take care.